It's Friday around noon, the 23rd of April, and I want to recap my DR Horton swing trade, stock ticker DHI. So you can see I entered yesterday right before the close, and I covered this morning right before the open, a little early you can see, but I'm still happy to cover some profit. So on the close up here on the minute chart, you can see my entry was right at 94.92 yesterday, and my exit was actually an average of 95.63. What happened was in the pre-market, I was actually the resistance because I had such a big volume, and my volume was too big for this pre-market. You can see I could barely get out. I only covered about half my shares at this area. It dropped. I covered about almost the other half. I had about 10% of my original entry still in. It gapped at the open and I covered here, so getting an average right here of about, we'll call it 0.75%. And in profit, that was around $1,400, so not too bad. I mean, it's been a pretty slow week, so I'm happy to cover some profit to end the week, but yeah, still ending the week slightly low. Still can't be too mad covering most of those losses back. So looking back at the daily, why I thought this was a good swing trade, and you can see that it's been gapping really well off of these green dailies, except for this day, right, because of the earnings report. So that's why I kind of forgot about this day, but just also I looked in the pre-market before, that earnings report came out, and you can see it was doing actually pretty well, and it was gapping up all around 7 a.m. And the earnings report really started to take effect around here, dropping the price, and then it was a good earnings, but lots of unexpected, lower than expected results, which brought it down. So unfortunately, it looked like it was a bad gap when it really was actually not too bad. You covered early at least. So I trusted it to keep gapping off of these green dailies. It's been doing it for a while, so it did. Covered a little early because I was nervous, didn't want to risk losing any more profit this week. So I'm happy to end it with a little bit of profit, and yeah, not too bad. If you look at my watch list, a lot of the things I'm looking at are in the green. DHI one of them, but yeah, a lot of these stocks I'm swing trading are also low risk. So if you want to learn how to trade low risk stocks and make a lot of profit like I'm doing, just subscribe below and I'll keep posting. Also, make sure you join our Discord server, Sleep Easy Trades. Here's where I've been sharing my pick of the top 3 stocks to swing trade each day. You can find them 15 minutes before the market closes on the channel Swing Trade. You can also ask us any questions about trading, and our group of professional traders will be happy to answer them. You can find the link in the description below.